Imagine walking up to this, the sound of waves in the distance, warm tropical air, and a view that makes you stop for a moment before you even think about breakfast. This is Trinco Blu by Cinnamon, located in the beautiful coastal town of Trincomalee on Sri Lanka's stunning eastern shoreline. We stayed in one of the beach chalets here, and honestly, stepping out towards the balcony each morning felt like a postcard coming to life. Golden sand, turquoise water, the palm trees moving in the breeze. Not a bad way to start the day. As we step outside and begin walking through the resort, you really start to appreciate how thoughtfully this property is laid out. Instead of that typical high rise hotel feeling, Trinco Blue feels open, spacious, and connected to nature. The pathways are lined with tropical greenery, mature trees, and beautifully maintained gardens, which gives the entire resort a calm, relaxed atmosphere. And here, we are approaching the dining area. One thing we genuinely enjoyed during our stay was the food. The breakfast offered a really nice variety: fresh tropical fruit, pastries, eggs, local Sri Lankan options, and plenty of international favorites. As we continue walking, you can see more of the accommodation layout. The rooms are spread nicely across the property, giving guests a bit of privacy while keeping everything conveniently close. The infrastructure feels polished without being overly formal. It has that easy resort balance of comfort and also the simplicity. And right here is the beach chalet building where we stayed. Our room was up on the top floor with that beautiful ocean facing view. Well equipped and honestly very good value for a beachfront stay like this. Wi Fi, TV, a mini fridge, a spacious shower, everything you need for a relaxed stay. And now we reach the beach. This is where Trinco Blue really comes alive. Set along the Uppuveli Beach, the stretch of the coastline is one of the highlights of Trincomalee. Soft golden sand, warm waters, and that wonderfully open horizon. This is the kind of beach that immediately slows your pace. From here, you can also appreciate how beautifully the beachfront rooms are positioned. Imagine stepping out from your room and being just moments away from the ocean. That's the kind of convenience beach lovers really appreciate. For anyone discovering Sri Lanka for the first time, this country is honestly one of Asia's most underrated destinations. You have beaches like this, incredible wildlife, ancient culture, amazing food, and some of the warmest, friendliest people you'll meet. Traveling to Sri Lanka is also much easier than many people expect. Visitors from many countries can apply online for travel authorization before arrival, and international flights connect easily through major hubs. Once you're here, getting around by road, transfer, train, domestic flights, or private transport is quite straightforward. So if Sri Lanka has been sitting quietly on your travel list, it may be time to change that. As we continue walking around the beachfront, you can really feel the relaxed holiday energy here. Some guests are soaking up the sun, others are simply unwinding by the water, and honestly, that's the charm of the places like this. There's no pressure to rush anyway. Trincomalee itself has a very different space compared to other busier destinations. It feels calmer, more spacious, less crowded, and that's part of what makes it so appealing. Whether you're here for a romantic escape, a family break, or simply a few days to disconnect, this kind of setting makes it easy. For travelers planning a Sri Lankan itinerary, Trincomalee is also a fantastic contrast if you've already explored places like Colombo, Kandy, or the southern coast. The east offers a completely different beach experience, quieter, more open, and wonderfully relaxed, making it a great addition to a broader Sri Lankan trip. There's something about special destinations like this where the experience isn't built around constant activity, but around space, comfort, and simplicity. The sound of the ocean, the tropical surroundings, the warm weather, and that slower eastern coast pace all come together to create the kind of holiday that actually feels like a proper reset. And another thing worth mentioning is just how easy the stay felt from start to finish. Sometimes the best holidays aren't about packed itineraries. They're about finding a place where you can genuinely switch off, slow down, and simply enjoy where you are. Trinco Blue really gives you that kind of atmosphere, whether you're here for a short beach escape or a longer, more relaxed coastal break in Sri Lanka. And now we arrive at the pool area. If you want to break from the beach but still want that tropical atmosphere, this is a lovely space to unwind. The pool area feels relaxed, comfortable, and very much in keeping with the resort's easygoing style. Perfect for a slower afternoon swim or simply lounging with a drink nearby. What stands out throughout the property is how naturally everything connects: beach, rooms, dining, pool. Nothing feels far away, and that makes the stay feel effortless. One of the other things we really appreciated here was the overall sense of calm. Even during the day, the resort never felt overwhelming or overly busy. There's a real sense of space here, which makes it easy to unwind at your own pace. Whether you're traveling as a couple, with family, or simply looking for a peaceful coastal break, this kind of setting gives you the freedom to do as much or as little as you like. And now, inside the lobby, this is where the hospitality side of the experience really comes through. The staff during our stay were warm, welcoming, and genuinely helpful, and that always leaves a lasting impression. Because beautiful locations are one thing, but genuine service is what people remember. As we make our way out, it's one last chance to take in the atmosphere of the resort. For anyone looking for a beachfront stay in Trincomalee that combines comfort, great location, good food, and a genuinely relaxing setting, Trinco Blue is absolutely worth considering. If your idea of a holiday is sunshine, ocean air, and a place where you can truly switch off, this fits beautifully. And sometimes that's the exact kind of escape you need. So here it is: Trinco Blue by Cinnamon, Trincomalee, Sri Lanka. A beautiful stay on Sri Lanka's eastern coast. Thanks for joining me on this walk, and see you in the next journey.